Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80244019, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reboot your system. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to use the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to configure Windows Update related services. So search for Services in the Windows search bar and open Services. And then scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right click on the Windows Update service and select Start. And then scroll up and go to the Background Intelligence Transfer service. Right click on it and then select Start. And then you can select the cryptographic service. And then right click on it and then select Restart or Start, whatever option you have. And lastly, you can run the Windows Update in the clean boot state. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any other service is checked, click on Disable All, click on Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.